Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this LED work light from Parkside, the model PBBK 4A1. Compact design with an innovative folding system for space-saving storage, power 2x5 watt, luminous flex 700, illumination time both lights 2 hours, single light 4 hours. Includes alkaline batteries 4x1.5 volts 2A. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside included we have and the manual. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me and find out all about this product. And there it is on a black and green color. Two separately pivoting lighting for adjusting the illumination. (360° rotation). COB LEDs with cool white light, 6500K. 3 light modes. Both lights can be used simultaneously or separately. Foldable support stand with integrated magnets. There it is. Also ideal for hanging up thanks to the hinged bracket with safety lock. There it is. Press, unlock. And at the back we have the battery compartment, 2 separate spaces. Pull that and enable the power. The on-off button. It can stand just like that. Adjust. And with a button both off, single light, up, single light down, or both lights on. The LED lights has a high brightness, even with one light on. Definitely you can see the surrounding very well. I like it. So, alkaline batteries. I was hoping to charge this unit, not every time to replace the batteries. So they say it will last about 2 hours when you have both lights on, or 4 hours with a single light on. You can use that outdoors for camping, fishing, for emergency light at your home, indoors, at your garage, at your store. You can have it at your car and use it as an emergency light. So many adjustments. Use it anytime, anywhere as you want. And it costs only 12 euros. I think the price is fair enough. Just buy it and use it at the right moment. Thank you for watching my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. I wish you the best. Happy holidays. Bye bye.